In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use BonChat. So now when you have gotten BonChat on your phone, you can get it both on your iPhone or also on your Android. You're going to then enter the app, of course. And now you should be taken to this page right here. So as you can see, it says like this, that you have to enter a server ID or IP in here, or if you have gotten a domain, maybe from a company, you can also enter it right here and then click on join. You can also, as you can see, scan QR code to be able to join, and then you will be able to enter BonChat. But basically now when you have actually entered it, you need to also think about this. You need to actually get a server for your BonChat, just so you know. So they have a couple of packages in here. It's not cheap, as you can see. It is like the cloud server here, for example, as you can see, the cloud storage, and you can see the total cost right here. It's $6,000, $6,050 for me right here, and I have to click on the buy it now button. So this one you can find on bonchat.app website right away. But yeah, this is something that you will need to get as well, unfortunately. You can always check more details on their website, and you can also contact them, of course, if you have any questions. But basically, this is exactly how to actually use BonChat.